Hi guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on any smart TV. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. First open your downloader app. After that, click on search and enter the code that I enter 730116. After that, wait for 5 seconds. Now you can see many IPTV apps. To install IPTV Smarter Pro, find IPTV players and look for IPTV Smarter Pro. Now you can see that the IPTV Smarter Pro is available. Click on it. Now you can see that the IPTV Smarter Pro is starting installing. Thanks for watching, and if you need subscription, contact me.